All right, guys, welcome back. I got Michael here from Autonomic, who is going to give you the rundown on this impressive 4-zone amplifier and 2-zone streamer. Take it away.
Thanks, Zach. So yeah, we got two products here. This is going to be a great way for someone to break into multi-zone audio. So what we have here is the MMS-1E. This is a single source streaming device. And then over here we have the M120E. This is going to give you 4 zones of amplified audio. And this thing, despite its small size, has plenty of power to drive your in-wall or your in-ceiling speakers, and it's nice and compact. So if you're looking to get into multi-room audio and you're not ready to get a big rack of equipment, this is going to be a good way of doing it. And so what you got here, this is the amplifier. It's going to talk to the streamer, and it's going to pull all your content in and distribute it throughout your house. You could put this in a closet, get your wiring landed in, and it's highly scalable. So if you like the product, then you can move up to one of our flagship amplifiers. We have the 401E here and the 801E here. You're going to get a little more power. You're going to get better and great audio quality. I mean, this thing sounds great for its size, and these sound even better. So take a look, see if it's going to work in your system, and reach out to Zach at Dream Media. They'll be happy to help you out.
All right, thanks, Michael. Appreciate you giving us the. Oh.
Thank you, Zach.
Yeah, absolutely. So thanks for giving us the rundown, Michael. This is a really impressive product, and I'm very happy that I found this for my customers. You guys know that we're always on a journey to deliver excellence to you guys. We want to give you the best products, the best pricing, and the best service. Check out our reviews online. We're 5-star rated everywhere, and there's a reason. When there's a problem here at Dream Media, we want to solve it. In upcoming videos, you're going to see us highlight some other products that they have available as well. So maybe 4 zones isn't enough for you. We have customers that need 10, 15 zones. Well, they have other products like the MMS-5E as well, which we're going to be making a separate video on. We have everything that you need for distributed audio, high-end professional level distributed audio here at Autonomic. So if you would like to purchase, again, guys, reach out today and show your support. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. We ship throughout the entire nation, guys, and have a free consultation service. Well, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Until next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater and Michael with Autonomic. Thank you for watching.